Good morning, Miss Harmon.
Good morning.
I'm gathering all your files here. I'm gonna arraign you on these charges, and then we'll see where we go. This is Judge Middleton. I'm over here at the courthouse. Let me grab part of that file.
So you want the complaint?
Yeah.
I have that. What's her name?
Yeah, please. I'm sorry, I'm back here. Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Here's the complaint. Here's the warrant complaint and affidavit.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm getting all my ducks in a row here. Got that song in my head, I can't get it out. All right, I had a woman in court this morning, maybe think of a song. Anyway, you're Carly Mae Harmon. We've got two files to arraign you on. File 20425 alleges assault and battery and disturbing the peace. You missed several court dates. It's alleged to have occurred on September 9th. Assault and battery, you allege to have assaulted Destiny Lilly. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The other charge is disturbing the peace. You got arrested. You posted a bond. They gave you a court date. You pled to disturbing the peace. You were going to pay the existing tickets. And I set the matter for sentencing, and you didn't show up for sentencing. And I tried to call you, and I couldn't get a hold of you. So I issued a bench warrant back earlier in March. And then you got arrested on April 6th. Did you turn yourself in at the jail?
Yes, sir.
This morning?
Yes.
All right, how did you find out about the warrant?
I had an altercation the other day, so I had to call the law, and they had told me that I had this going on, and they told me to get a couple days off of work and come back Monday, Tuesday, and finish it out.
All right, what do you want to tell me about this incident with you and Destiny Lilly?
I swear I was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. Those girls were crazy. I had nothing to do with what was there. It was just my house, and I got caught into it.
Did you know the girl? We talked
I
about some of
barely,
it at the time of the plea. Why didn't you show up for your sentence?
last time we had the Zoom meeting, I don't think it was exactly clear about what day it was supposed to be, and I was working and the craziness I had going on. I definitely didn't do it on purpose. I wanted to get this all taken care of, and now here I am.
All right, where are you working?
Wings, etc. Right by the police station.
Well, this is that crazy thing that happened in the parking lot at the insurance company, fighting about a guy that wasn't worth fighting about again. Yeah, yours was more of a disturbing the peace.
Yeah. And it took me a little longer to get all the funds together to come pay everything than I thought it would, but it's fine.
All right. Yeah, it was the other girl that was more of the,
And she was the one who hit the girl. I didn't hit anybody.
I'm gonna give you 1 day credit, 1 day, $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and a $50 state minimum fee, which is $200 for 3 days. Well, we have to do a show cause first. Can you pay that by May 15th?
I can pay it all today. I can pay everything right now.
All right, pay it now. When you get out of jail, why don't you come up to the court and pay it?
Okay.
I'll make it due by Friday. Now, you have another charge. Let's talk about that one. That's the one I had to find. In file 21259, you got a ticket for allowing an intoxicated person to drive, which is like a drunk driving charge. It's alleged that on or about December 19th, there was an accident, and they had you and Jacob Merkel and Bradley Haley. And then some other girl left the scene. This is like a drunk driving charge. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. It carries costs. Probably the safest thing for you to do, Ms. Harmon, is to plead not guilty to that charge.
I'm not guilty. I didn't give him permission to drive my car.
All right. Do you see a pattern here? You're with the wrong people in the wrong place at the wrong time?
I know, you're the company you keep, they say. I need to figure it out.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to show you're pleading not guilty. I'm going to appoint an attorney and set an attorney pretrial for May 14th at 9 a.m. The bond was set $200 cash or surety. I'm gonna make it a $200 PR bond. Are you still at apartment B4?
Yes, sir.
All right, now let's recap what we just did. You showed up, turned yourself in on the disturbing the peace charge. I gave you 1 day credit, 1 day, which is today. And I gave you a $200 fine, which you're going to pay today. I'm going to indicate you may be released from custody, so they don't hold you for 24 hours. There was also a warrant for your arrest in this drinking driving incident, allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code while they were intoxicated. I showed you pled not guilty. I appointed an attorney for you, set it for May 14th at 9 o'clock. I'm going to appoint an attorney for you. So it'll probably be simpler. When you get out of jail, come up here to the courthouse, pay that $200, and you can go back about your business. I don't know what the story is about this guy that crashed your car, but that's a separate matter, and I've got an attorney to help you with that. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, you're good to go. You're gonna have to sign a PR bond form, get booked in on this other charge. And then I will see you virtually by Zoom on the 14th of May.
9 a.m.?
9 a.m. We'll send you that notice.
Okay.
All right, good luck. I'll see you then. All right. Stop.